Hi everyone, welcome back to another MOC. For this video, we will talk about this Easter special. This will be the second Easter video. Easter Sunday is a day to celebrate Easter and learn about the resurrection of Christ. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to see what I post on my YouTube channel, and share with your friends and family about Zachary's Lego Club. Happy Easter, everyone!